Good morning, dear listeners. Today we start a new episode of the Cures Without Side Effects podcast series. And today we speak about the energy metabolism and the citric acid cycle catalysts. In brief, the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle, is a key component of the metabolic pathway by which all cells that utilize oxygen as part of the respiration process generate energy. This cycle basically takes place inside the power plant of the cells, which is called the mitochondria, and provides the energy for the whole organism. So the primary function of the mitochondria is to convert energy found in nutrient molecules and through a long chain of reactions store it in the form of molecular energy packets, which are also known as ATP, uh, adenosine triphosphate. Since mitochondria require oxygen to carry out energy conversion, when oxygen is unavailable or the cycle is inhibited, the body shifts to a very inefficient way of producing energy through the path of glycolysis, which not only produces far less energy but also produces lactic acid as a byproduct, which is a cause of pain, inflammations in the muscles, etc. So different conditions like oxidative stress, illnesses, medicinal drugs, alcohol, food toxins, heavy metals, such as mercury, can alter the cycle chemistry, causing it to switch off the energy production. So a deficiency of one or more intermediate catalysts involved in the cycle and the consequent inhibition of normal energy production may cause a wide range of metabolic disturbances, including fatigue, immune system dysfunction, dementia, depression, behavioral disturbances, muscle weaknesses, heart diseases, diabetes, hair loss, and eventually also cancer. And in fact, it has been known for decades that cancer cells only perform glycolysis to produce ATP, so they use glucose. Uh, so impaired energy metabolism is also an indicator of Alzheimer and Parkinson diseases. In terms of therapy, restoring the Krebs cycle or the citric acid cycle and uh, and the mitochondrial function is the basic starting point of any chronic disease in cancer therapy or any therapy. So studies have shown that there are specific Krebs cycle amino acid precursors and catalysts which stimulate energy production significantly and reduce the symptoms associated with low cell energy production. So there are various components which are discussed in the book Cures Without Side Effects, and so I will not go into much details about that. And for example, acidum citricum, it is good for neurological support, skeletal conditions, calcium metabolism, digestive conditions, and then we have all the other basically components, and these are discussed in the book, so I will not go into that. But this is just a short introduction, and the links to the books are in the comments. And this is all for today. Thank you for listening.